So let's see how you can detect daily and intraday trend correctly so that you never have to worry about which direction the market is going to go while you're day trading. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we're gonna look at how you can correctly determine the direction of trend while you're day trading. Okay, sometimes what happens is while we're day trading at lower time frames, we see the formation of the higher highs and higher lows. Okay, as we can see here, we see the formation of these higher highs and higher lows. But when we go in, when we zoom in and we start drawing the swings are not very clear. Okay, so if I draw a swing here, we can see that from here to here is one swing. Okay, and then after that we can see the formation of another swing from here to here. Okay, so this is basically our first swing and this is our second swing. So there is formation of these higher highs and this is basically our lower low, and again this is our higher low. So after the formation of higher low, in order for us to be sure that the market is going bullish, we should have seen the formation of another higher low. Okay, but what we see actually here is basically another lower low. So this lower low is at lower level than this higher low, which means now we might think that the sentiment of the market has changed and it might go bearish, but it did not happen. It continued to go in the bullish direction. Okay, and we can see the formation of similar thing happening here. Let me just draw it. So if I draw it here, we can see the formation of this swing, and then there's another swing we can see in here. Okay, let me just zoom in. So if we draw this from here to here and then here, so again you can see that there is formation of this lower low which is at lower level than this previous higher low, which could mean, like in general terms, which means that the market is gonna get reversed, but it did not. Okay, it continued its bullish trend. So with our general analysis, we might have taken trade or we might have sold this currency pair at somewhere here. Okay, which would have gone against us, but as we can see that this continued going bullish until this level. Okay, after that it got reversed. So let's see how we can avoid this. We can avoid this by looking at the daily time frame and daily candles and detecting the direction of the daily candles. Okay, once we detect the direction of daily candles, we will be sure that what is happening in the intraday. Okay, let me just show you on the charts. So if I go towards daily time frame and let me just zoom out. So if we go here, we can see that the overall sentiment of the market in daily time frames at that line that we were seeing earlier in our intraday trading is bullish. Okay, so we can see the formation of these bullish candles and we can see the formation of these higher highs and higher lows. So from here, we're as one daily candle basically represents one big swing. Okay, so the whole swing we can see the formation of these higher lows, okay, and higher highs, which basically means that the trend is going bullish. So now once we have seen the daily candle and we have seen the sentiment of the market on the daily candle, we know that we should not take the trade that might go against this trend. This trend is basically going bullish. Okay, so we should not sell the AUD-CHF pair while this trend is happening. So once we see the candle, as we can see here, that this is basically higher high, higher high, higher high, and there is higher low, and none of them have the in daily candle we cannot see another lower low forming while this trend is happening. Okay, the only lower low is formed here, which basically after which the trend got reversed as well. So while this trend is happening and we want to day trade, we should go into first we should look at the daily time frame and daily candles and see which direction the market is going in daily time frame, and then we should go towards the lower time frame that we want to trade in. And now since we are in 15-minute time frame, let me go back to that line that we had drawn. Now here it becomes very clear that why the trend did not get reversed here. Okay, because in the daily time frame we saw that the overall sentiment of the market was bullish, so that's why the market kept going bullish even after the formation of these lower lows after these higher lows. Okay, so this is why you should always look at the daily time frame candle first before you start day trading, or before you start your analysis for day trading, so that you can determine what is the overall sentiment in the market. But there's one thing that you should make sure. Okay, let me just go towards the daily time frame back, and let me show you what you need to confirm first. Okay, so while you're looking at the daily time frame candles, and you should not trust the first candle that forms. So as we can see here, that here the trend was going bearish, and after that it started going bullish. Now how do you confirm that it's gonna continue going bullish? Okay, so basically you can be sure that it's gonna continue in the bullish direction when there's formation of these, first, when there's formation of these higher highs and higher lows. Second, when you see these three continuous bullish candles, you should be pretty sure that the next candle that is going to form is also bullish, because the overall sentiment of the daily time frame candles is going bullish, in the bullish direction. So as I said earlier, these bullish candles basically represent one big swing at the daily time frame, and when we go into intraday, that swing has a bullish sentiment. So that's why we should never take a trade that might go against that bullish sentiment. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment down below and I would love to answer them. Also, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be the first one to know whenever we upload new content. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.